Okay. So, well, at that time, my mom, always, she was very busy, in the kitchen and cooking and make a lot of food. Dishes very delicious, and I should say, I like the food that my mom made.
Oh.
It's beautiful. Very. Is a boy, and always wait. Oh, when will this, come? And also is a holiday for the students who are. Well, I was engaged in elementary school, so it's a winter holiday.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah,
That
that's
sounds
good.
like a lovely memory. So,
Yeah.
okay, so can we
I like
go?
the food that my mom made, but right now my mom, she passed away, and no chance for me to get such food.
Oh, but it still remains and lives on in your memory.
Okay.
So, can we go and correct your English?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, can we look at it? Yeah, and I'm sorry your mum passed away. It's kind of sad, but at least you got to taste her cooking while she was still here with us. So yeah, so you can say, my favorite holiday memory
Okay.
was.
My favorite holiday memory. Yeah.
Yes, was. And then you said when I was a boy.
Yeah.
Which is perfect. So to make that flow more, you can just say, because in between you said a bit of you were like thinking, but like to smooth that out, just say my favorite holiday memory was when I was a boy.
Yeah. So how to improve that in a short or?
No, you just like repeat
the same
it.
meanings. Okay.
Repeat it with me. So I'm giving you,
Okay.
I'm going to give you the phrase, and then you can repeat it after me to get used to saying it.
Yeah. Go
So,
ahead.
my favorite holiday memory was.
Yeah. My favorite holiday memory was
When I was a boy.
when I was a boy.
And then you can say, I used to spend.
I used to
spend.
I used to spend.
Chinese bank. Yes. So, I'm going to write it down. I used to spend Chinese bank holidays with my mother.
Chinese holiday with my
That's what
mother.
you said.
Okay.
You said it was a Chinese bank holiday. So, I used to spend Chinese bank holidays with my mother.
I used to spend Chinese Spring Festival holiday.
So do you want to, because you said Chinese bank holidays, then you said Spring Festival. So which one is it? Which one do you want to say? Okay.
Spring Festival holiday. That's also
so you can say
a winter holiday in elementary school. Yeah.
I just need to know the name of the holiday, whatever it is. Okay. What do you want to call it?
Okay. Yes, you're right.
It doesn't really matter, but what do you want to call it? You decide and we will fix the sentence. So do you want to call it Spring Festival?
Yeah, usually. Yeah.
Okay, then you can say, I used to spend spring festivals with my mother.
Yeah, I used to spend Spring Festival with my mother. Very good. Okay.
Yes, so that's how you can say.
Thank you.
And then you can explain what you just told me about why it was your favorite. You said it was your favorite because you said my mum used to cook a lot of delicious food and I loved her cooking.
Yes.
Remember to use past tense because we're talking about a memory. It's already happened. So we use past tense. So my mom would cook delicious
my mom
food.
would cook delicious food. Yeah.
And I loved it.
Yeah. And I love it. Okay.
Not love it, loved it in the past. It's been undone.
Loved it. Okay. I loved it. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And you said something about not being able to wait. You said you couldn't wait. So if you cannot wait for something, you can say the word impatient. Impatient.
Impatient. Okay.
Do you
Impatient.
know? Do you know?
Yes.
Have you heard of impatient before?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, it's the opposite of being patient. So if you're not patient, you are impatient.
Impatient. Yes. I'm looking forward at that time.
Yes. So you can say, you said her food was so delicious. So you can say, my mum's food was so delicious.
Oh yeah, my mom's food was so delicious
That I was very impatient.
Yeah, that I was very impatient.
And couldn't wait to eat it.
Yeah, I couldn't wait to have it or to have it.
To eat it.
To eat it. Okay, to eat it.
Yes.
Good.
So do you want to say it again? You can say it again. Now that we corrected it, you can just say that bit again.
Oh, let me try.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't wait to eat it.
But the full sentence.
The whole sentences? Okay. So my mom's food was so delicious. I couldn't wait to eat it.
Yes. Yes. Perfect. And you can say, I was very impatient.
Oh yeah, I was very impatient.
Yes. Some people in the audience today are very impatient. Patrick. Yes.
Okay. It's time for me to go down to
No, wait.
So
Wait. You can't go.
Okay.
You can't go down until I ask the question.
Okay.
From what we learned today.